This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Apple Photos uses on-device AI to process images quickly and privately. This means most analysis happens locally on your iPhone or Mac. There are 3 core AI features I will cover in this guide. First is Magic Editor for subject edits and intelligent crops. Second is Visual Lookup for identifying objects, plants, and landmarks. Third is Live Text to copy words from images instantly. I will show step-by-step actions and useful settings for safer, faster photo edits. Open Photos, select an image, then tap Edit to start AI enhancements. Use the Auto Enhance button for one-tap exposure and color corrections. Tap Magic Editor to auto-suggest crops, lighting fixes, and subject adjustments. To remove an object, use the Remove tool and refine the selection with the brush. Use Visual Lookup to identify objects, scenes, and plants in a single tap. Use Live Text to copy text from signs and receipts directly into another app. Enable iCloud Photos to sync edits and keep originals across devices. Choose Optimize iPhone storage to save space or download originals for full-resolution files. On-device processing keeps most AI analysis local when you enable private cloud features in settings. Backup important photos to a secondary drive or alternate cloud for redundancy. Export edits as JPEG or HEIF and keep RAW originals for full control during future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.